my god, that's
Okay, technically what we're meant to do is we're actually meant to very, very Mexican. It's very South American. You're meant to, this is meant to move up and down and around, and you guys would sit there and you would go there, right. We can't really do that.
why not?
Okay.
Oh, I see. Rightio.
It's taken the little
So
man
we're
a
going
long
to do
time to put that robe on.
basic out of it. But you also don't want your children
Ready?
Yep. So,
Uno, dos, tres. Go forward. Forward.
Forward, baby steps. Stop.
Stop.
Smash it.
oh. Oh my
Are you okay?
Oh yeah.